let's call these guys real quick. I just want to make sure that the wing is still there. JDM Tuners.
JDM.
Hi there, I'm gonna be coming by to pick up the RX-8 trim pieces and the Subaru spoiler. Is that okay?
So what time are you gonna be coming down?
In like 30 minutes.
Yeah, so the trunk and spoiler is out and ready.
Looks like we're gonna be picking up a trunk and a spoiler. A STI spoiler for the Subie, because, you know, can't be an STI build without one, so. Big ass wing, here we go, bro. Let's get it. This is where it is, but like, look, what is this fucking driveway, bro? Okay, well, let me just park right here. Alright, we're at JDM Tuners. Place is more like a freaking junkyard, bro. But I wonder if this thing is for sale. That's badass. This could be one of the cars that they're taking apart. Yeah. Dang. I mean, these guys got engines galore. EJ203. Except I think those are garb.
Yeah, we fitted a Integra type bar front end assembly.
Yeah.
In an Integra.
We got the whole, what? It's like the whole car itself. Okay. Beautiful. See, easy. Whole trunk and a spoiler, guys. Mine is a 2005 blow-by, so I'll make a list of anything I'm looking for if I have any broken trim pieces or like anything else that's missing in the interior. I'm gonna do a deep clean in the next week or so, but I'll let you guys know.
That, and then also like seats, we got so many different options.
I saw, man, like maybe even STI seats, the blue ones, that would look sick.
So you can go with blue or even like WRX ones. WRX is pretty much gonna be the same, except the fabric is different style.
Yeah.
So, and then check and see if yours is heated or not.
Interesting. Oh, I don't think it has the electronics, but yeah, I'll double check on all of that stuff, man. Yo, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, have a good one.
Thank you. Shout outs JDM Tuners. Need anything like JDM, specific JDM aftermarket parts? Maybe these guys will actually have it. Well, Subaru trunk and spoiler. And I didn't even have to take it apart. Easy. Guaranteed I probably wouldn't have been able to do this if I didn't have Lambo doors. Hey, go on. What you got there, brother? Brother, why you got my shoe, brother? You got expensive taste, brother. Thank you, brother. What the? Okay, hey. This kid always takes my shoes. One time he took them, he walked around, and then he placed them on top of my shoes just like that. It's so perfect. Like he did it on purpose. Nah, I'm sure he did it on purpose. Alright, so today is a major cleanup day for our new practical daily. You know, the get your hands dirty kind of day. Let's see how much rust this thing actually has. Also quickly went to Canadian Tire to grab some equipment, including this creeper and a new shop vac because someone keeps stealing ours. Or I think we just keep breaking all of them. But these are gonna be here to stay. Okay, rust check for the rust. I grabbed a new air cabin filter and some new spark plugs. That's one of the maintenance stuff that hasn't been done yet to this car. We got the Superior Iridium NGK spark plugs. So recently, new timing belt put in, clutch recently replaced, new water pump, replaced the engine mounts, front upper shock mounts, new brakes, both front and rear, new K&N air filter. I guess he already replaced the air filter. Recent oil change, which I was planning on doing today. I think it was done like maybe 300, 400 kilometers ago. Yeah, that's not bad. Also new O2 sensors. And I guess I'll see whatever else I have in this garage that's like universal for all cars that I might be able to use for this. We're going for the practical here, guys. Even though we already got parts for this. But hey, yo, this STI wing, even though it's fake, show you guys why it's a replica. If you look on the back here, first off, pretty cheap. I think made out of FRP. But on the back, it doesn't actually have the third brake light, which goes in the bottom center of the spoiler. And the way it was installed, kind of rough. These guys like siliconed it on or something. It'd be hard to take this off if I wanted to get it painted, but I have an idea. I'm gonna just super refine it, sand it down, make it really smooth, and paint it to match the silver. Luckily, this trunk is actually the same color as the car itself, so I am so tempted to install it right now, but we'll hold off on that because I have to take it off again to spray paint it anyway. Well, I don't have to, but my idea was to create some sort of spray booth again in my backyard so that we can spray paint that spoiler and also the side fenders, which came black. And this one has dents in it, so when I remove it, I'll try to pop out those dents too. Yeah, you can kind of see it. There's one here and one right there. When I'm doing the Bondo work, there's several pieces on this car that I have to touch up, including this, which won't be too hard of a fix actually. That's the fun stuff. I think it's usually between 2002 and 2007 that all of those Subie parts are interchangeable, but only if it's sedan to sedan, like WRX, Impreza to STI. You can't interchange Forester parts. Maybe, sometimes. Someone correct me. I think, actually, we have one more thing. No! I think I left it at Canadian Tire. I bought a silver Subaru spray can, and I was gonna see how close it was to this paint, but I think I actually forgot it on the counter at the Canadian Tire, so I have to up. But that's today's plans, just really clean this baby up, and yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna get rid of these roof racks first. Kind of fugly, in my opinion, okay? And luckily, they just come off like that. Guy didn't give me the keys for them. Beautiful. Yakima roof racks for sale. So taking a look at this, I don't think these seats have ever been taken off. Both these bolts are hella rusty. I'm gonna do my best to remove these seats, try not to break anything, and then we can go ahead and clean all this gunk. This is the satisfying part of all of this. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Yes, making money while I... What the fuck? I'll take the money though. Fuck. Okay. So, what we're gonna do first is vacuum up all of the loose gravel and whatever I can, and then I'm gonna spray it down with soapy water and then brush into the carpet so it loosens up any of the deeper dirt. Like, I don't have all the proper equipment to be able to do this kind of detailed detailing work, so I'll do my best to clean it up in here and just, you know, freshen it up to the best of my ability. Guys, remember, this isn't an actual STI, it just has the STI stylings like front bumper, hood scoop. Looks like an STI, but I mean, down the line, if I really wanted to, if anything ever happens to this engine, we have the option to upgrade it. And I would love to do that down the line, but you know what? This is the tamer version, okay? So while it's still mechanically sound, I am gonna do my best to keep it as is. I'll do my best not to abuse it or push it. And plus, I still do have to get it checked over by an actual Subie tech, professional analysis, to tell me if the engine's actually a-okay.
Do Pilates, jump like piano, will stick to karate. I pray your bodies, drink more like mine. Tears, what I'm supposed to do, run around with a bulletproof crimes. Tears, every agent I know.
So I cleared up the trunk. Actually, let me show you guys. Fairly clean in here. Probably end up replacing this floor mat. But it did come with a fender flare kit, and I kind of shaped it on the car. Let's see here. I think this one goes on this side like this. Look at that. It just stays on. Kind of goes something like this. This is the door part. Something like that. Something like that. But it's not complete, so we're probably gonna scratch that idea. I was mostly gonna do it if this rust was really, really bad, so I don't know. Still gotta lift the car. I did find a pair of hood dampers for the Mazda RX-7, and I ordered these for the FD, but they didn't end up fitting the RX-7. So I'm gonna see if I can fit these. Let's see. I feel like that is a good size. We're actually gonna try this. Okay, so far so promising. What? So now you guys know that hood dampers for any FD RX-7 from the years 93 to 95 actually work on Subies. Crazy. Okay, let's install the other side. Damn. Pretty nutty how perfect that fits. And look how well it shoots up too. Well, now I have to take these off anyway. I'm gonna lift up the car. I have to take these fenders off to prep it for the paint, which we're actually gonna be doing in the next video, not today, but might as well just take them off now. And while it's lifted, get the wheels off, and we can actually have a real good look underneath the car. Time to see the rest. Damn. Guys, this is way worse than I thought it was. I was trying to put this car on jack stands and lowering it slowly just in case, because I was actually having a hard time trying to figure out where to even put the jack stands because most of the underside are pretty rusted out. Thought it was just gonna be like a few hours worth of sanding away and then bondoing over, but nope. I have a feeling like this entire thing might have to be replaced, man. I'm scared to leave it on jack stands at all. That's pretty fucked, bros. Okay, you know what? Let me go grab a light. There are a lot of rusted areas. This, gross. Look at this, look at this. All of that is pretty damn mangled. And then I was trying to put the jack stand right here, but then it started caving in. So I have a feeling like, bro, look at this, look at this. This is all rust, bro. That's kind of gross. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I got myself into again. I'm gonna see what the mechanic shop says. But I'll leave that for another day. I'll try to be really, really careful with it, but I will still lift it and try to find safer points. So when trying to take off the Subie fender, there's 3 bolts on the top and usually 1 bolt holding the front bumper and the fender piece together. I lucked out because as you can see on this side I took off the headlight and I was expecting there to be like tons of bolts and clips to take off. It was only the 2 bolts on the top here and the one inside. Like, actually the grill itself is insanely easy to take off. Voila, we're gonna go grillless for a bit. Hella horns are hella rusty. There are 2 bolts in the door well, one up here and the last one down here. There's one. friends, I think that's it for this vlog. I'm gonna just end it today. It's getting pretty dark outside right now, so I've been at this for like maybe a good 9-10 hours now. I mean, working on the whole Subie thing, but this is what I've been up to. Just trying to tear away at the rust, seeing how far it actually goes. Yeah, underneath is actually kind of disgusting. And then the door sill actually underneath the trim piece, I'm gonna have to take that off to see how deep it actually goes. But we're gonna save that for another day. We got the STI spoiler we also have to paint, but at the same time we're gonna be prepping the fender pieces. And as you can see, they are not in the best condition either, so I'm gonna do my best to try and get rid of some of these surface imperfections. We got our work cut out for us on this project. We're gonna start making an actual thorough list that I personally will go down myself, but then I've also made a small list for the mechanic shop that I'm going to be bringing the Subie to. For now, guys, I think I'm going to end this video. It's been a long day. Hood dampers installed. I tried to replace as many of the interior lights, dome light and the trunk light, as well with white LEDs instead of the yellow halogens. Started working on the rust, which, I mean, yeah, I think the next day is really prettying up the body some more, painting these pieces, and possibly getting new wheels. You guys know me, I love the process, and I'm so stoked that we have a Subie in our hands. We've begun, but I just can't wait to keep going on this project. Before I let you go, I actually got this. The mailman came earlier and dropped this off, okay? Check it. What you have inside this plastic bag are the new Bad Bada Nobody flags. Those things. Let's open it up, shall we? Cool, very simple, very basic. This and the banners that you saw on the FRS are going to be part of a handful of items to be released on the first drop of Bad Bata. For now, you guys get a small sneak peek. Alright friends, you know the drill. If you want to get updated on when new videos drop on this channel, hit that sub button, drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments. I will love you forever, and see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. I am happy to say that I have drawn blood on the Subie already on my first day. Technically the second day working on it, but I literally stabbed myself with a screwdriver like